这是你的吗？
谢谢。
不客气。
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn beginner Chinese with the series Fall in Love, 当她恋爱时 Episode 1. The link to the main video is given in the description.
经理呢？我要投诉。
How do we say, where is the money? 钱在哪里? Another way of asking where is something or someone is to add "ne" at the end of the sentence. So, 经理呢 means where is the boss? 经理 means boss, manager.
经理呢？我要投诉。
你听到他刚才说什么了吗？当然听到。
你听到他刚才说什么了吗？ Did you hear what he just said? 听 means listen, try to hear. It's not clear whether you managed to hear or not. But if we add 到 and say 听到, it means try to hear and succeed in hearing. This is called resultative complement, verb plus 到. 到, when used as a complement, shows that the verb has attained the result. For example, 找 means look for, search. But it's not clear whether the searching has achieved the result or not. If we add 到 and say 找到, it means this searching has achieved the result. So 找到 means to find.
你听到他刚才说什么了吗？当然听到。
你叫什么名字？把你们老板叫来。
你叫什么名字? What's your name? 叫 means to be called. It's important to know the literal meaning of this famous sentence. You are called what name? 把你们老板叫来. Call your boss to come here. 老板 means boss, manager. How do we say your boss? 你们老板. We could also say 你们的老板. When close personal relationship is involved, it sounds more natural to omit the, like in your father, 你爸爸, your friend, 你朋友, etc. What's the function of 把? The word after 把 is the object of the sentence. 叫来 means call somebody to come. The object of this verb is 你们老板, your boss. As you can see, 你们老板 has come after 把. 叫来 call someone to come. 叫 means to call, and 来 means to come. How are these two verbs connected to each other? 来 is the directional complement of the verb 叫. So, 叫来 means to call someone so that the result is he or she comes.
你叫什么名字？把你们老板叫来。
我得去工作了，再见，唐先生。
我得去工作了. Now I have to go to work. 得 means must, have to. 了 indicates a change in situation. It means situation has changed and I must go. For example, time has run out. 再见，唐先生. Goodbye, Mr. Tang. Tang is a surname. In Chinese, a surname comes before words like sir, Mr., lady, etc.
我得去工作了，再见，唐先生。
哎呀，导演，再来一个吧。
好吧，好吧，再来一次，再来一次。
How to say eat one apple. 吃一个苹果。How to say eat one more apple. We say 再吃一个苹果。The structure is 再 plus verb plus quantity. Here quantity is 一个。再来一个。Take one more shot. What does lie mean here? Does it mean come? No, here it doesn't mean to come. Lie is used as a substitute for some verbs like eat, drink, sing, perform, and so on.
哎呀，导演，再来一个吧。
好吧，好吧，再来一次，再来一次。
Before we move on, if you like such videos, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.
我话还没说完呢。
请说。
我话还没说完呢。I've not finished my words yet. 说话 means to speak. Some two-character verbs are composed of verb plus object. In 说话, for example, the verb is 说, to say, and 话, meaning words, is the object. Sometimes for putting more emphasis, the object may come before the verb. So, instead of saying 我还没说完话呢, we may say 我话还没说完呢。
我话还没说完呢。
请说。
这是你的吗？
谢谢。
不客气。
这是你的吗? Is this yours? In this context, it was originally 这是你的戒指吗? Is this your ring? We know the structure personal pronoun plus the plus noun. The noun here can be omitted. For example, 这是谁的书? Whose book is this? It can be shortened to 这是谁的? Whose is this?
这是你的吗？
谢谢。
不客气。这是我的名片。
对不起啊，我没有名片。
The cultural note that you can see in the movie is when giving something to someone, always give it with both hands. If you give it with one hand, some people might find it offensive.
这是我的名片。
对不起啊，我没有名片。
20几年了，我还不了解你吗
20几年了. It's been over 20 years. 20 means 20. 几 means a number less than 10. So 20几 means a number more than 20 and less than 30. L indicates change of a state. It means it has been this much time. For example, 我来上海5年了. Literally, it means I come to Shanghai. It has been 5 years. It's been 5 years since I have come to Shanghai.
？20几年了，我还不了解你吗？
我想请你吃个饭，明天有空吗？
我想请你吃个饭。 I'd like to invite you for dinner. The original sentence was 我想请你吃一个饭. When using 个, if the number is 1, you may omit 一 and use 个 by itself. Another example, 他有个女儿. He has a daughter. 明天有空吗? Do you have free time tomorrow? 空 means free time. It's the fourth tone. Note that 空 means sky, first tone.
我想请你吃个饭，明天有空吗？
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.